afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Manny Gander, Coach Sam De Los Santos, and Rose Gloria Aquino of the Single H Spikers who won in straight sets against the Atari Chargers. Coach, congratulations on this win. Your third straight win and ending the preliminaries at third place din sa standing. So, how does it feel just being able to get this win against Atari?
Thank you so much, Lord. And siyempre, thank you sa team, coaches and players, especially sa management. Kasi talagang nag-all out din sa buong training and sobrang appreciate ko yung effort ng lahat. So siguro yung respect lang din namin sa isa't isa. So yeah, and then sobrang happy kasi ito rin yung target namin. Hopefully makuha talaga namin yung number 3. So,
thank you, Coach. And for Rose, yung 12 points ka in this game, ano lang yung motivation mo personally to help the team get this win?
Siguro personally, niready ko lang yung sarili ko para makatulong sa team kasi nga senior na coach, kailangan niya ng katulong sa team ko. Trabaho lang po.
Thank you. And for Manny, just how proud are you of how the team is playing so far, especially now that you guys secured third place in the standings?
I'm super proud of the team, of course, kasi we had a lot of challenges this year, but it was really total team effort talaga.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, ano lang yung nakita niyo yung naging key sa tatlong sunod yung panalo papunta dito sa qualifying round?
I think yung mag-stick sa game plan. Yung yun lang po. Yung preparation, yung mindset din ng team, both coaches and players. And paano rin kami magpa-condition. Yun lang yung ano namin. Siguro yung sa skills namin, kailangan maging consistent or maging better pa kami.
For Rani, you ended on a 3-game win streak and you had good amount of wins na rin to start. So that's why you got the third seed. So how important was it for you guys to really start this conference strong so that even though you had some bumps along the way, you were still able to secure a higher placement entering the next round?
It was very important and crucial, of course, that we got the wins that we did last year. Yeah. So, it was important. Every game is important naman. So.
And Coach, sa'yo rin po, parang ano siguro naging advantage ng ngayon po ang advantage ng medyo smaller roster na kumpara sa bigger roster in terms of managing players lang para kumbaga tuloy-tuloy yung form, tuloy-tuloy yung level na pinapakita na natin?
Siguro yung nakikita kong advantage, yung commitment ng players. Sobrang, baga, kahit 12 lang kami, napamaximize namin yung skills ng bawat isa. And then, siguro, ang ayun, mabilis lang yung training kasi konti lang yung itatrain mo. But, syempre, mas marami rin mga disadvantages. Pero, mas kino-cover namin siya kung saan kami mas magiging advantage. So, yun lang naman siguro yung isa sa nakikita ko. And, yeah, yung mindset siguro talaga ng team. Yun yung kasi sabi ko nga, kailangan mas ma-maximize natin yung talent skills ng bawat isa. Kasi kukunti na nga lang din tayo. So, doon tayo, yeah. Ayun na, okay na. Nakakagulat.
Coach, yun nga, kahit pa paano may progress kasi hindi natapos yun ng 3-game win streak yung preliminary round. After everything that happened, ano lang pakiramdam na tuloy-tuloy, walang slowing down yung team. At ngayon kuha nyo pa, secured yung third seed going to the qualifying round.
For me, talaga, mas na-motivate pa ako sa mga bagay na nangyari sa amin. Kung ano yung mas dapat kong trabahuin, mas pinag-iisipan namin lahat ng coaches and players na ano ba yung mas magiging role natin ngayon, especially na kukunti na lang tayo. And siyempre, sa guide ni Lord, talaga kami. Tinutulungan talaga kami kung saan namin gusto mapunta. But siyempre, di kami mag-stop kasi ang dami pa rin namin kailangan i-improve. And I know or we know na magiging better pa kami. So,
For Vanny and Rose, siguro considering dami nangyari nga first signal over the past year, nagulat pa kayo with how the team has been performing na, nakuha niyo ba yung third seed? Even with another match?
I didn't really get surprised with the performance of the team because I trust everyone in the team, and even before everything happened, the players that stepped up, they've been stepping up naman always, and they've been contributing every practice, every game. So I think our trust in them was always there, and it was still there, and then we knew na kayang-kaya pa. It's just, physical side, it's kind of hard on our team kasi we're only 12. And it's kind of pressuring to you can't really have an off game, but then that's why I say it's really teamwork. When one person's off, everyone else helps that person.
Safe.
Copy paste. Siguro sa akin, tinignan na lang po namin in a positive way. Parang naging motivation na lang po namin yun. And nagkaroon po ng malaking opportunity.
Yung coach niya, third seed kayo, ikaw din ba, kumbaga, na-surprise ka rin ba na, in terms of conditioning din ng team, talagang hindi na naman nag-show ng signs na parang kapag or what?
Parang hindi ko masagot. Feeling ko hindi ako, hindi totally na-surprise. Siguro naging happy ako doon sa result kung paano namin siya dinisign din, doon sa mga ginagawa namin. Kung paano namin pinag-uusapan lahat. Ayun lang naman. Kasi, pero part din na na-surprise kami, ako personally, na-surprise ako kasi, surprise in a way na natutuwa ako kasi lumalabas din talaga yung pinag-ihirap. So, yun.
Coach, sa ngayon nag-aantay pa kayo ng mga kalaban na sa next round. Ano lang siguro yung magiging mindset ng team, especially crucial na yung mga next game?
Siguro same mindset, yung intensity ng laro namin, paano kami gumalaw, paano namin dadalhin ngayon yung situation na sa second round, ganito yung magiging labanan. So, ganun pa rin. And then, tamang recovery and rest din. And, yun. Ayun lang.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,
Thank
Rose.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.